Want to add different backgrounds in CapCut? To add different backgrounds, start by importing your video. Click on Import. Import your picture like this and drag it to the timeline like this. Once you have dragged your video or photo to the timeline, click on Remove Busy and click on Auto Removal. As you can see, your busy has been removed. For adding new background, go to Library and go to Background and drag it to the timeline like this. Keep it just below your video like this. As you can see, the new background has been added to your video just like this. Once you are happy with your edit, go and click on Export right here. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.